Replacing one tire is easy. Living with how the car feels afterward, well, that's where things get interesting. Same brand, same size, similar tread, but the ride, it feels different. Steering feels different. Noise is different. When tires on the same vehicle aren't aging at the same rate, the differences don't always show up on the rack, they show up on the road. So let's talk about what actually happens when tires age differently on the same vehicle next. Nobody mixes their tires' ages intentionally. It usually starts with something simple. Maybe one tire gets damaged and replaced, or the driver just wants to replace two at a time because it's what they can afford at the time. So you do your best to match the brand, the size, and the tread depth, but unfortunately, these scenarios often bring along unique challenges. Tire aging is a slow process, so the results of mismatched tire aging might not show up immediately. Rubber changes slowly over time through heat cycles, load, and everyday use. That means a tire that's been on the vehicle for years simply doesn't respond the way a new one does, even if the tread depth looks similar and the sidewalls look fine. When a vehicle has tires of different ages, those differences show up in how each tire reacts to steering input, braking, and road texture. The newer tire tends to respond more quickly. The older tires react maybe a little bit more slowly. Nothing is broken, but the vehicle no longer feels consistent. Noise is another way tire age differences show up. As a tire spends more time on the road, the rubber and internal structure change how vibration is transmitted from the pavement into the vehicle. A newer tire may dampen that input more effectively, while an older tire may pass more of it along. When those tires are mixed on the same vehicle, they're reacting differently to the same road surface. That mismatch can change the overall sound profile, making existing noise more noticeable or creating a new sound the customer doesn't remember hearing before. This is why mixed tire age matters on its own. Even when sizes match, wear looks even, and pressures are correct, tires that haven't aged together don't behave together. Now, I don't mean to sound alarmist here. Bottom line, yes, in many cases, it is okay to run tires of different ages on the same vehicle. Mixed tire age doesn't automatically mean something is unsafe or something is wrong. What it does mean is that the vehicle may no longer feel as uniform or as predictable as it did when all four tires were aging together. As long as those changes are understood and monitored, mixed tire age can be a reasonable, short-term, or situational solution. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.